This is part 3 of a 3-part presentation called Stem Cells, Aging, and Regeneration by Dr. Max McLeod, D.O., N.D., Ph.D. Doc Max has devoted over 5 decades to studying health and health optimization and has been in clinical practice since 1979. His passion is finding comprehensive solutions to complex health challenges. This quest has included using regenerative injection therapies for the past 30 years and most recently led to the addition of stem cells, exosomes, peptides, and bioregulators. In part 2 of this presentation, we focused on getting a better understanding of how our microcirculation and mitochondria play significant roles in our body's stem cell system. Now let's get back to the main topic of stem cells. Stem cell therapy is not magic. It cannot make up for an unhealthy lifestyle, poor nutrition, environmental toxins, loss of capillaries and muscle mass, damage to the glycocalyx, or damage to our mitochondria, but they definitely can help on multiple levels. How do stem cells work? What do they do when added to the body? In light of all the information discussed in the first 2 videos, what role can and does stem cell therapy, and related regenerative therapies, play in the big scheme of things with regard to aging and the balance between degeneration and regeneration? It's simple. Stem cell therapy and other regenerative therapies like exosomes can be used to bolster declining stem cell reserves and boost cell signaling efficiency, thereby ramping up the body's natural healing and regenerative processes. Stem cells, when added systemically to the bloodstream or to a specific area, seek out and find areas of damage, assess the damage, and begin orchestrating the repair process. They appear to reprogram and activate our body's existing stem cells to become more efficient and effective. Think of it like a software update. They signal other cells in the area of damage to produce and provide specific proteins and other repair molecules. They also appear to be able to donate young, healthy mitochondria to older stem cells. This adds increased energy production capacity to older, worn-out stem cells. Interestingly, the research indicates that they do not become new specialized cells in the body, although they are able to do so in the laboratory. The research tells us that these added stem cells play more of a supervising, directing, and orchestrating role. Finally, the latest research indicates that added stem cells stay around and continue to provide surveillance and supervision for a very long time. Recently, a study demonstrated that stem cells from another person were still alive and active 53 years after implantation. Exosomes, although not discussed extensively in this presentation, are extracellular vesicles produced by all cells of the body including stem cells. They contain a wide variety of signaling molecules, growth factors, and nutrients. Every stem cell contains 300 to 1,000 or so exosomes, and they can also be derived from afterbirth products and injected with or without stem cells. Many researchers believe that many, if not most, of the beneficial effects of stem cells may be due to exosomes. However, exosomes are not likely to provide all of the benefits that stem cells plus exosomes can provide since they lack the intelligence, surveillance, and supervisory capabilities of stem cells. Bolstering one's depleted levels of stem cells and exosomes have been shown to provide benefits for a wide range of conditions, although no claims can be made for legal reasons. Stem cells and their signaling molecules, exosomes, help to orchestrate the repair and regeneration of whatever tissues they encounter that are damaged. Although there have been over 74,000 published studies spanning decades, we still have a great deal to learn about the best ways to use the various cellular tissue products and biologics including stem cells and exosomes. That does not mean that they can fix everything or that they can do it alone. They are not magic, but they can and do play a major role in helping the body to heal, repair, and regenerate itself. Stem cells, both our own and those that are added, need the right environment and support to be maximally effective. This also helps to illustrate why they should not be looked at as a one-and-done procedure, but rather as a major piece of the things that can be done to enhance our overall health and well-being. To learn more about how we use stem cells, exosomes, and other biological substances to enhance health, contact us at the Age Reversal Technology Center by calling 941-806-5511. No one can guarantee the success of any medical procedure, cosmetic procedure, diet, nutritional supplement, or workout plan due to the tremendous number of variables such as the amount of damage and degeneration, a person's healing and regenerative capacity, a person's digestive and assimilation capacity, and their daily lifestyle. Despite all of those variables, we do offer a guarantee that no one else does. If a person chooses to invest in one of our recommended programs, we will stand behind our program and continue to treat and support the repair process for up to 1 year to help restore the area of concern. During that time, if the individual needs additional regenerative injection sessions beyond what was anticipated, they will be performed at half price just to help cover materials and time. For example, a typical program using 1 milliliter of stem cell solution costs $2,000 to $3,000 depending on the joint complex being treated and whether additional exosomes, growth factors, and signaling molecules are used. 2 ml of stem solution would cost about twice that. While under our care for a given joint complex, if additional sessions are needed, they will be performed at half of the current price. We will also continue to provide the additional support components such as joint decompression and shockwave therapy during this time at no additional cost.